Mayam punna mapu tolabana na ahangna Daniel gi lyric naina ba asida taram no chari masi naina gadu ba series asati Daniel 8 ki verse 11 12 koina mamangda naina khre khara koina ram and he got adugi maramda naina khre asina haibisna maroina da daily habse karino maki meaning karino habse masi gi maramda koina fazana naina gani sinaw sam masi gi astum baje khang bayam darkar lai masiga sumbaje koina thidoga khangaga adugi mutungna chaminase thawai sengmana ko bichingbininga gidam prarthana tawse sagadalai be paiso yam thagasare mase koina Daniel 8 11 12 ase koina maroina naina ga dawri verse ani ase dai pa asuke mati pak sawe masina ina pase sumnatangi verse ani werapsu naki thawai inspire to even aduna naki thawai na pa chalom nai singbiu ai ki saigwego wahi wata phongton bekno naki thawai singidana nang basakwa du singidana asumba asida tariba yengiba khudima asida nahana bo video hobling no phobna hamna singbiu Prabhu Jesu Christ gi mingda khurumjari amen. Verse 11 ekoina paja paminase he magnified himself. Magnify the Masama Thanda Saujarami, Masama Thanda Saujarami, even to the prince of the horse. Adana horse adugi prince Minthong Masa Aduda. Masi Wishing says now a town, I am listening to the color of the Inhoran, when my Hebrew meaning Karikra Queen and Yarakani, Masini. And by him the daily sacrifice was taken away. That sacrifice has a translators in James Version translation in Hapson Beni, sacrifice has the original Bible the Yaudi, Aduna Masilo talks again. By him the daily was taken away. Aduna Mahakna daily have a Lokokirami, and the place of his sanctuary was cast down. Mahaki sanctuary the assemble Laisang Adugi, Mapam Adu, Lang Tek Lam me having Snowsa. When Mamandi in great verse. Quina Mamangi 910 Sidaju Liton holds a canano have the Pagan Rome, Papal Rome, Animaku, Pesto, Masigi, verse 11, 12 Asida Paliba Asidi, Quina Roman Catholic Church Skinny, Quina Pagan Rome, Degi Roman Catholic Church Kamina transition, Kamina Home Kigabi Mamanga, Quina Karasam Lamban in Nakre, Adu Magi feminine gender sing at the Suyi and Cre. Adana Hujik, Lady Base Mahak have a canano have a matamda, Mahak Ase Roman Catholic Church need the Papishini. Magnified habsigi artha karino habse ekoni yengsin masi Hebrew gi number 1431 asida magi meaning je gadal hai adugo magi meaning yam dai nakoi no horen ai screen dan mingbiro masi gi manungda boast tawba napan tawba pride adugo masada napal lejaba asina sing khara yawe adugo masida scholars singa asumna habigi matungna masi gi definition asumna hai masida the verb expresses the idea that the legion horn illegally usurped the prerogatives that belong to the prince of the horse. Prince of the horse aduda yauriba magi rising magi magun ado masi mahana illegally adi khana aingi mat aina yadaba mawongda nampu sasanda lawbuje madugi idea da phongdo I have magnify habsina kanabu the prince of the horse adugi mayok da mahana nampuda Mangonda Legeda Bukul Adu Kara Lokui, Hibigi, meaning Adu Maduda Sidal Lay, happy Amorum the Masigi Idaze, Quena, blasphemy Hagado, Maduga, Hypet, Equina Adugi, meaning Adu the Equina Lobusui, Madudi Equina Mudiang Simatanga, who is the prince of the horse? Prince of the horse, Hype say, Kanano, Hype say, Equine, Yangway, who is this power? Hydibasakti esse, Kanano, Hype say, Equina. Amuk Jangase, Dinan Aquina, Hydeba prince of the horse as Aquina, Yangsi, Masi in dream amanga, who is this power? Having Hydebong Masigi, he has a canano, Hibzi Aquina Sakti, and woman the I-24 hide this powers. His powers shall be mighty, but not by his own power. Mama Samaki Sakti Natanako, Masamaki, Weba Sakti Natabida Mahaki Sakti Jam Sawini had the Atopa de Gi. He shall destroy wonderfully, Manako, Ang Papanga Hatkini, shall prosper, Aduka Sapkani Maze, and practice and shall destroy the mighty and the holy people. Shogi Aseng, but missing Akan, but missing as a Mahana hatokani havni. Verse 25 the through his policy also mahaki khusing thorangi mapana he shall cause crops to prosper in his hand. Cause crop this crop ki thabak thoram sing lalo iti ki thabak thoram sing ase magi makuta sakhalangini havni magi policy ki mapana he shall magnify himself in the heart maki thamoi the ko masama thandana napan chawthokchaba habdo phawgani and by peace shall he destroy many mahana mapan thangda santi oiba saraga mi kyamrum hatokani habi mase hatokani and he shall also stand up against the prince of prince ki marka mahana lepkani abdi prabhu jisu christ ki marka but he shall be broken without hand mahase mebi khud yaudana mahase mang takan signi habi abi actually hide basa ase second coming lakum matanda prabhu jisu christ na hatkani habi ishor gi mission bu hatpa mapan thongda aphaba namthak aphaba thabak thorom kya toksnaraga mibu namthak toba mibu norok kilambida lamjing da adugumba sakti aduni haiba sakti adudi karino haibada masidi akoina roman catholic church adubu akoina khangnei masi akoina pabaya second Thessalonians 2:28 2 item koi paji 2 item then shall that wicked be revealed adugi phattaba man of sin ni verse 4 side ga yengadi 4 ga yengadi 3 ga yengadi khangani pararoi whom shall the lord consume with the spirit of his mouth magi sindagi thorpo wahising aduna hatokani hami magi mangangani subsangani and shall destroy with the brightness of his coming mahana lapu matan mahaki mangana shore the consuming fire ni mahaki mangana masi hatokani hami madudi kanano haiba matanda masi ekhaina aroiba matambo hingadaba adudi roman catholic church the papacy habase masi ekhaina confirm tawre mathangda jengchi the prince of the horse adna prince habase masi gi meaning se hebrew gi number da 6289 ni mahaki hebrew wahida sar habni masi gi meaning je a head person captain general master ruler asina singbasing asini ekhaina joshua 5 ki 14-15 da ekhoina amuk jengsi joshua 5 ki 14-15 da gi ekhoina masi kanano haibase ekhoina mu identify tawse ek pazarake he said joshua da hai khibne he said no natte hamni ko nang ekhoi gira nang jengna ba gira hamni natte hamni ko nekte jengna ba natte but adubu as captain hamni masida paleba captain aje ekhoina prince aina athan be as prince of the host of the Lord have say Yahweh have me. The prince of the host of the Yahweh am I now come. And Joseph fell on his face to the ground and did worship him. They made it to Taraga Joswana said unto him, what said my Lord unto his servant? The man, the captain of the Lord's horse, the captain as a prince, the captain meaning sir, as I give prince to some money. The prince of the Lord's horse said unto Joshua, loose thy shoe from off the foot, thy foot, for the place where thou standest is holy. Joshua did so. Aduna nang left from the assembly nang nakong de kum loktu ana hai. Masigi matung inasu hai riba the prince of the horse of the kanano hai ganda the prince of the horse of Yahweh hai riba tam mase kanada apply tawi Prabhu Jisu Christ da apply tawi akoi namu Daniel 12 ki 1 da ekhoina yengba yai prince kanaga sangdam ne have the Michael ga sangdam ne ko at that time shall Michael stand up the great prince withstandeth for the children of thy people nangi mission gi da mugle diba kwai gi chawba prince ning thong masa adu lepkani Michael hai riba nupa aduna there shall be a time of trouble hai masi ai makha pararoge masi time of trouble pithib da thokhi de mongi time of trouble adu laikani hai da amuk yangsi aikhoina jut 9 da amuk paba matam da hariba Michael se kanano haiba matam da jut 9 da ik pajrake masi Moses ki hinkalan giba adu manupani Michael yet Michael the archangel maze archangel hai disu khanai angel makok when contending with the devil adu da he disputed about the body of Moses ki mayakta satan aduga ma hinkalan ba yaroi hinkat kadabani haina man hai satan hinkalan be yaroi haibini madu the yenarami does not bring against him a railing accusation mong the ko tina sai kide but said hai the Lord rebuked the shonanam say hen aduna Moses sira sira matung mabu siba tu te hinkalan bangam baje aikhoina gambril nangam nate saitan ga lam thengna bangam baje kana khatan ngani Prabhu Jesus Christ nangani aduna Michael haisi kana no Prabhu Jesus Christ ni Hebrew 4:16 gi matung ina da aduda haibe gi matung ina khoina Prabhu Jesus ishona degi lakani archangel gi trumpet aduga loina na haibne masi haibse se palibse masi the prince of the host haina ekhoina Bible na haibse kana no haiba matam da masi Prabhu Jesus Christ ni haibne aduna haiba papesi asna Prabhu Jesus Christ gi right oiba adu mahangna mungani haibne mahang mungani namfuda aina yadaba mongda mahana namfuda mungani haibse masida laire sinausa aduga sida mu yengsi by him haibne him haibse aikhoina by haibse hana lengba tai by haibse aikhoina asengbagi magi meaning the from mana handokadabani by haibse Hebrew gi number 4480 ni magi Hebrew haina mim man nu haibne masi aikhoina from haina translate tawkadabani masi aikhoina from haina translate tawkadabani adubu by haina mokhoina translate tawrame by haina translate tawrame adu aikhoina amuk yengse adu sidai haire aikhoina masi aikhoina kaino dagi lapthokpani BRI Biblical Research Institute 7 Adventist ki 1404 gimana ibne the Hebrew expression min menmu is not to be translated by him haina masi translate tawudab nate min menmu have said but from him haigdam aduna from him haina translate tawudab ni him is kanano yinchi who is the antecedent of him gi haigi mamang da laiba noun do kanano ani grammatical rule batung ni ko grammatically the nearest and the most necessary antecedent is the prince of the hearts grammar gi matung na mahaka kwadi nangna ba mamang da laiba kwadi nangna ba adudi prince of the horse adudi Prabhu Jesus Christ ni this is supported in ancient version ko aikone ancient gi Bible da kone Hebrew gi Bible da ko masi magi meaning adu challe aduna masida haibadi ai horen patana translate haijarake haidi voicing se kona khangaba matungda he magnify evil himself to the prince of the horse and by him had from the prince of horse from Jesus the daily was taken away him mongone Jesus ta gi daily ha chilok thokira mi hem adudi ekhoina amu yangase what is the meaning of daily have say ekhoina yangase sacrifice haibo wise supplied one daily have say Hebrew gi number 8548 ki matungina tamit haibini aduga magi meaning the continuance sumsa leptana sathaba daily namit khudingi continual always perpetual adum lengdana adum sathaba haibini magi meaning se adubu ekhoina ayambana Old Testament masigi text nataba tai Old Testament sinaba matamda masije ekhoina noun amaga oina ayamba matam sinai haribdo sacrifice haiba wahi asigi loinana irolena noun amaga irolena sanai adubu tainenda di masi matamda sinabni noun oina sinabni adubu magi meaning je ekhoina yengsi khona Old Testament degi daily se mina kana kumna sinna masi ekhoina Roman khona pagan Rome paganism ni haina kana misina atha hantoe napchalam hoy adubu masi meaning ina masi di yadabani habse aduni masi ekhoina kawkumsi adubu Old Testament da ekhoina yengsi masi Exodus 25:30 Exodus 25:30 masi da mai meaning je oloi hai Exodus 27:20-21 da oloi sai Exodus 28:38 da continually hai mai meaning je sali Exodus 29:42 da continual hang ko adum sathaba hai sali Exodus 30:8 perpetual adum masi ri makha na sathaba New Testament da mu yen sem mai meaning je Hebrew 7:3 da continually hai adu Hebrew 7:27 da daily hai masiko Hebrew 9:6 da always hai Hebrew 10:1 da continually Hebrew 10:11 da daily hai aduna haribo wai se masilare masigi meaning asi yenga ga khona identify to bi ai ko masida the word haiba tamid haiba wahi se akoina number 20 ga 9 28 akoina yengba taragadi masida 17 times tamid haiba wahi se sisne oduna masida sine hairip se karida refer to we haiba matamda sanctuary da ko sathaba continent service sanctuary manung da lepanai dana priest na sathaba thabak to madu point tawtana tai aduna masidagi akoina khange bible gi matungna the daily habits keno Christ priestly ministry in the heavenly sanctuary sarga gi sanctuary laisang haibani ko sanctuary habits laisang lai sarga da adu asengba mafam sanctuary adu da Christagna magi priest ama oina purohit ama oina mana nuti gi sathaba thabak ado daily gi akhoi gi pap kopi bagi akhoi gi haija bibagi sangdok gi thabak sathaba do madu bu akhoi na khangnei Lukana Mishna, some Bible commentators in Masi, when a paganism ni pagan Rome, Hana, Arthur Hale, Masi Mokoi support on a text like this now, sir. Text Amakatana Masi meaning that payade. Madonna Danen Aita, when a Christa ase, I could you preach in a good liveness later. Duga Daniel 9, then a mother equating Sayani, Hina, Masida, Daniel 9, that would live now, sir. Aduna equina mukata na yangase, do the equina, Masi Delisi Maram da Quina never the am Kuishan and is nosa, Masi am controversy waving at the way in some Namayang Bahatan, Yagidam Haveni. Aduna Delhi have a sin of paganism, have a say pagan Rome, do not take, have a say equina Kang, Masi Kangi Christ priestly ministry in the heavenly sanctuary, have say Masini, have say equina Kaum say, Equigarankum with among Matanga, taken away, have a say, my meaning as a young say, Masi Hebrew number. 7311 da magi Hebrew gi wahida room aina khanai masi yangse sida ipadar ke when the Hebrew word room is used in the context of the sanctuary context room mai boy say sinna vibe sinna the action of the verb is described as to take away or to remove ai ko aduna magi meaning the sanctuary gi sinna ba matam da take away haidi room habisna athadi thokhiba natraga remove hako pura mangan jiba abolishing something amse masini magi meaning ekhone khare yengse sinda Leviticus 2:9 da take from hai 4 gi item take off lokthok ki bhamni 4 gi 10 da taken off habni aduga 4 gi 19 da take habni loba habni 6 10 da taken up habdi to remove habni magi atan lokthokpa Leviticus 6 gi 15 da take off haina man hai aduna masida hai it can have the sense of removing something abolishing it ko masina habisi kari makhara lokthokhiba natraga abolish tawa masi manghanba madugi thabak ni hai the complete word study dictionary henko Old Testament satanunga tenesi and AMG hani amazing AMG press 203 page 1042 da mana masigi meaning ase asumna halli aduna from him the daily was abolished mangonde ki daily do lokthok mi hamni mangonde ki namfu da lokthok e hamni kanade ki Jesus Christ da ki lokthok e hamni ko masina habati place ase ekhoina mu yeng place ki meaning se Hebrew ki number 4349 ki matung na masi mekan haina khanai magi meaning se ekhoina mu yeng se second chronicles 6:30 da second chronicles 6:30 da pas paminase sida sumna hai then hear thou from heaven thy dwelling place nangi laifam adu dagi ishor nangna akhoi gi prarthana ase tabiu forgive ngapiu render unto every man according to all his way mi na tauba adu gi matuna nahana pibiu whose heart thou knowest nangam khoi gi thamoi khangi for thou only knows the hearts of the children of man nangna misingi thamoi adu khakang nangna hamni sida thy dwelling place habse ishogi place habse makan habni masina habde ishogi laifam adubu ekoina makan habsina sinausa masida lere masidegi ekoina khangi ekoina makan habse masigi verse na tai place haba makan habsina refer to je ekogi pathana bu tapiba ekogi papu copy ba heavenly sanctuary adubu ekoina mintawe makan habse na koina khane je ekoi pathana je kane sanctuary manu ishogi laising lai madu da ishogi singasal lai phami hoi singasan de hongdok pa yai adu hojiki matung in the sanctuary manu da lai hadi basida ekoi ki pathana copy ba ekoi ki pathana ekoi ki pa copy ba ekoi ki pathana ta bi bi thabak tawe adana makan habse masida sinari ba makan habse karino sanctuary ga mari lainei habse ekhona masida kaugumsi aduga Psalm 104 gi 5 ta sinariba masigi atangde khatam makan haibse masi kadi da singjanari ishogi sanctuary natabada khatang sinaba text haibse Psalm 104 gi 5 je masi khatang sine aduga 7 times makan haibse koina ishogi laifam koina sanctuary haibse masida min tawe madugi text adu yengbio ai pararoge first king 8 ki 39 43 49 second chronicle 6 ki verse 2 30 33 39 hairiba text taret asida masigi makan haibsina ishogi laifam sagada lei haba aduguma mafamni habdo masina tai sinausa aikona mathangda mu jangchin migdas makan makom hairiba wahi ahum ase masigi manungda aikona yengminase aikona sanctuary ji amu yengse ujina sagi aikona danenda panbegi matungina sanctuary haibase karino haibada aikona yengase amu sanctuary haibu wahi ase masida sinarba sanctuary ju wahi ani dilai adubu masida sinarja migdas haibne Hebrew gi number 4720 migdas masi Exodus 15 gi 17 masida aikona yengse masida makan ga migdas ga kamaina punna kamai sinabra haibse aikona yengse Exodus ay pazara ke Exodus 15 gi 17 Thou shalt bring them in, plant them in the mountain of thine inheritance, in the place as in Makanami, O Lord, Nangi Lepam Adudami, which thou hast made for thee to dwell in. Nanga Laikidab, Nanga Laikidam, Sangba Mapam Aduda, in the sanctuary Sidam Migdasani, O Lord, which thy hands have established, and Kunmana established the Aduda. Nangi makan nangi laifam aduda sinehem masida makan haibse ishogi sanctuary mafam adubu ekoina sida min tawduna ekoina adum sinare aduga 25 ki 9:10 da asuna hai migdas habni let them make me a sanctuary that I may dwell among them aigi damang na koina migdas sanctuary se singbiu aina na khoi markta lainingai dama according to all that I should do after the pattern of the tabernacle aduna aina nangonda utkiba tabernacle do vision da nangi namikta uhangibdo adugi matungna semu haibani maduda laigita instrument khudinga adusu haibani haidibo masidegi ekhoina khangai ekhoina migdas haibisigi magi meaning je karino the Bible says that our God dwells in the migdas of the early sanctuary ekhoina akhoigi mi semba sanctuary gi adugi mafum aduda ishona lai haina paiko migdas may refer to God's sanctuary of a temple in the arts, especially on the great day of atonement. When the day of atonement have say masigi matamda ishona hariba prithvi asida maki presence to lairega udi have do madugi artha da sinabni asina when migdas have say sanctuary have say ekona masigi matung ni Solomon gi laisinga sarikdo adu buchume mase migdas have say kamkanda saitan gi sanctuary da jo masigi wai say sinai ko adu kotes haiba when the sanctuary have a way any lane migdas have courtes have a city shorty heavily sanctuary do at the cutting masi refer to we at the sinade heaven. Mathang the muching place have a my meaning makom com Hebrew gi 4725 matung in a makom heaven. Hariba makom mase when carry the coction I am a low pararose Deuteronomy 12 ki the coin at 2 pabiro. I study pa matam later masigi matuna Aikoina makom hariba place ase koina pagan gi lai muti latpa singi makogi activity ko adugumba mafam aduda khak mase sineba makom is used when referring to pagan sanctuary pagan gi lai muti khuramba mafam ado maduda ikoina mase sinai ikoina Ezekiel 6:13 koina Ezekiel 6:13 do ikoi pamina se Ezekiel 6:13 da ida then shall ye know that I am the Lord aina na khoi ki shona have to come when their slain men shall be among their idols round above their altar. Makoi hatpa michin makoi altar ya koi da leibo muti sing adu ki marak wagini upon every high hill awang masin khuding da in the tops of the mountain chingjang mathakta under every green tea asangba upambi gi marum makha da ko under every thick of kind of opambi asongba ok ki marakta the place the makom where they did offer sweet savor of all their idols ko makogi idols na du da mutikali ba du kuma makom haid mum phundo adu dani masidegi khona khang makom haibu waise matam khuding da kaino desnis khona pagan gi sanctuary licensing adu gum da masi sinai adubu Daniel na hari pase mana karigumba mana pagan gi oiba adugumba gi arth lairam tadi sanctuary hari pase masigi mota mana makoma haina sinaramba yabani makom haina sinaramba yabani adubu mahana makom gi mota kari sinai koina kaino oina sinai mana makan haina sinai habse koina masidagi koina khange adudi koina muk yengase hujik Daniel aki 12 to amuk passe aki 12 to amuk yengse hujik koina 11 adudi koina pakre pakibagi matung na magi meaning de establish tawkhre masini ko. And the place of his sanctuary was cast down, and the place happening place adi ishogi early sanctuary gi mafam ishogi sanctuary gi mafam ado mana lang theklami hari. And host was given him mon pirami against the daily koina sacrifice lokso kraje by reason of transgression pa number muduna magi makta host amba pirami hari. It cast down the truth to the crown and its practice and process masina asumudo laimai de lang tharami adugo masina saukhalami hari. Ekoni yangsi host sabje masigi matung na mu yangsi masigi host sabje number Hebrew gi number 6635 ni mana DSABA saba haina magi meaning lai adu number 4 gi to 3 gi matung na magi meaning je koina mu sida yangsi number 4 gi to 3 ko to 3 gi matung na take the sum of the sons of Kohat ki masang passing adu apan ba masing doloro from among the sons of Levi gi marktagi and their families by the house of their father makoi gi families na mapa mapu gi matungina yungi matungina from 30 all and upward even until 50 year old sai kuntha dene yang khipau gi maning dele dingdang all that enter into the house sai ko adu gum house adu the sang ba hai ni ko sida hari bo house hai je to do the work in the tabernacle of the congregation gi tabernacle adu the sang ngai gi damak hai ni sida house hai bin asigi asagi ekhona masigi meaning duni ko sida palil se this shall be the service of the sons of Kohat in the tabernacle of the congregation above the most holy things and aseng ba ishor ka thoki basing adugi thabak chena basing makoi thabani hari base masida palib host se kaino hadu matamda priest hai magi meaning se priest ni hari base de khange sida palib host adi sanctuary da sinari ba magi priest adubu aikoina khange smai tawdana aikoina tasena khange host habse masigi religious context religious ministry gi context chengban bani adu hari base gi magi context pa na maram odina pi ba habani adu hari ba host adiri kana bu khange Roman Catholic ki priest adubu aikoina masina men taw adu mathangda by reason of transgression habni transgression maram odina transgression habse masigi koina defined as trespass or sin haina Hebrew gi number 6588 ki matungna pesa habni magi meaning je trespass natraga sin habni masi Genesis 31 gi ekona 6 ki matung 31 gi 36 ki matung na masi ekona yengsi ko ai sidang ko pa ke 50 gi 17 jo pa be adu di no koi pa jaro matam lai te sino sing 36 da and Jacob was wroth Jacob to Sorome sought with Laban the Sayamiko my maku bokta Jacob answered and said unto Laban what is my trespass I give up what is my sin I give up sekadino that thou hast so hostly pursue after me and wonder shauna ko tanariba ase I give up no have masida paliba koina transgression have se cham na ekoi taibung mi na shogi marta tawba pa adu matu ko ekoi khangni masina habidi aduna pa na maram oiduna hariba horse amase phangi habi adugo mathang da truth have se ekoi na mu yengba ya truth have the Psalm 119 gi 142 gi matung ina se thy righteousness is an everlasting righteousness and thy law is the truth ishong nang gi dharma sembadi lomba na ida dharma sembani nang gi law di asum bani hai ishogi ten commandment ase mas asum bani hai adu aikon yang se truth that was cast down lang thagi ba asum budo karino have se aikon amu yang se amu ai patana patara ke masdegi aikon meaning je ikra hanjara ke ki wai sing je established na he magnified himself even to the prince of the host haidi papesina Prabhu Jisu Christ ki marta ko mahana sauthok se magnify oje magnify ko haidi aduna magi magnify di mangon da laike da ba magi kaino do magi magundu man lokto ekadal haini aduna habidi Prabhu Jisu Christ isho omda leiba gundi kaino ikoi ki pa ko piba mahangna akhoi gi shoni hamne hariba ado hariba ngasigi papesina lothoi aduna makhoi gi lucing basina kha ai shoni mesin gi pap copy bangami haina hai masigi magun asibuni mana lothoi habse akhoi mamangi video do chu Daniel chapter ki 7 da ko blasphemy abri man dan na kre maduni mahna toibse mana shogi laising da tang first second Thessalonians 2:4 ga shogi laising da chalaga ai shoni haina mana shogi laising da phamni habse masi kanano ishor amakun oibadiri Prabhu Jesus Christ da lai aduni mongon da thoi aduga from him from Jesus the daily was taken away daily adi Prabhu Jesus Christ na ikon sanctuary manung da laiba mana akhoi da ma haija biba hoje heavenly sanctuary da mana laire ni akhoi da ma haija biba akhoi gi pa kopi bi thabak ado mahana lakhthok pirami haine kanana hojiti Roman Catholic na makhoi gi priest na akhoi gi pa sing ado kopi bangami makhoi na akhoi gi arang khobam pi bangami Prabhu Jesus Christ na akhoi gi arang khobam pi bangamdo makhoi na arang khobam pi bangami makhoi gi haija begi mapana akhoi gi thabak se tawi hado koina shoda ada Prabhu Jesus Christ on the direct changa koina prathana tawigi mota hausidi makhoi da lao popta lao makhoi gi preaching da lao aduga akhoi prathana tabi kinaina madugi mission adu da nam thak tawga lai thokpa adugumba aduni sinau sang masi yam phatrabani and the place of his sanctuary was cast down ani magi sanctuary shogi sanctuary akhoi gi prathana tabam adu maham lang thui haini lang thui haiba ma andadi akhoi gi prathana shona tabi budo adugi mota mangoina makhoina tabi bo ina Shamduna meeting nam thak tawduna laire habsni verse 12 ta muchalasi and host was given him against the daily by reason of sin makhoi gi phana maram oiduna asina makhoi na host ma pire have the priest ma aduna maram oida Roman Catholic na makhoi gi holy order the same to akhoi na bishop priest deacon maroina preaching ase asokki matik chahanjare makhoi na akhoi gi dama haija ba akhoi gi pa kopi ba asina sum bagi thabak sing ado tawre adugumba hosting ado pam na maram oiduna ko asi akhoi na phangi haisi kamaina phangi habje akhoi na makhada mu he mathangda akhoi na ba matamda yanga khaniko and masida hai and it cast down the truth to the ground and it practiced and prospered masina achumbudo le mai dalang tharami hari adude mana lang thariba achumbudo karino haiba matamda certainly masi kaino akhoi na daily Christa gi priestly ministry aduga magi akhoi na prathana to biba the place of his sanctuary have the Roman Catholic lang to habsini ko magi ministry ado mana muthappire habse masini aduga moroine shoi lo adu sumana khongaw na kre koina saben de yengbagi matuna an shoi lo sing ado hongdoki admai to dana hongdo aga akhoi ki pap kopi bje mahangna loin ngani akhoi arang khobang gidam Krista da sapai darka lete akhoi popta la kadamni akhoi priest la kadamni priest na kopi ra gadi na akhoi ki pap kopi re priest na nang gidam haija begini haija bado mana haja bidra ka dinang ki arang khum phangwai habsine akhoi na hujik bible da haibi matung nadi akhoi ki prathana se kana da khaija kani Prabhu Jesus Christ na akhoi na direct changa ga akhoi na hujik haija ra akhoi ki forgiveness of Prabhu Jesus Christ da gi phangani sanctuary manu da gi akhoi prathana tabi gani adugu makhoi na haibana makhoi church ta gi adugu makhoi ki priest na haija ba adugi mapana nang thekani ham ashor ki achumba makhoi de moina oina khungaw na ga nang te madubu akhoi na masida akhoi khanai masi people can get assembly hai asumba je akhoi chachi duna akhoi na sinawsung Roman Catholic sinawsung da akhoi tabi biaw su akhoi aram khobang de dama akhoi na priest chapta gi athlete akhoi Prabhu Jesus Christ ngona direct chalaga akhoi na prathana to bo matan da mahana akhoi gi prathana tabi kini asumba se yam share to view ai gi channel asebiru subscribe to view na go de he na asumba isho go pawto se go ngam ngai gi dama akhoi prathana to minasi sagadalai do try shong nam thaga sare khone nasi Daniel 8:11 am sing tu ekasani nakre pasida patana ekhona achumba do khangkare achumba khudin nase koi ki thamoi de thamduna achumba sigi mateng na chacha bangam bai to endu ta akra khudin de shon bo na amen